Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through in knowing your Google Drive on your computer. When your school or organization signed up for a G Suite for Education account, you are up for the best digital experience ever. Your G Suite account revolves around your Google Drive. First, sign in to your G Suite account at drive.google.com. Then sign in by entering your Gmail. Click Next. You can also sign in to your personal Google account if you do not have a G Suite account. As the new sign in box opens, enter your password. Then click Next. Once you are in your Google Drive, click the waffle to access your suite of apps. Your Google Drive provides you with a suite of apps that are useful to you as a student. With Drive, you can access your account, use Google Search, and access your Gmail. You can also access your Google Classroom, your Google Calendar, and your Google Meet. Here you can find your Google Docs, your Google Sheets, and your Google Slides. You can find your Google Translate app, your Google Keep, and your Jamboard. You can also access Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play, and Google News. It is important to understand the parts of your Google Drive. On the left side of your Google Drive, you can find your Drive folders. You can find in My Drive folder all the files and folders that you have created or have uploaded. You can find in Shared with Me folder all the files and folders that were shared with you by someone. You can find in the Recent folder the files that you accessed recently with files arranged according to the dates of access. You can find in the Starred folder the most active files and folders that you marked starred for quick access. The Bin folder stores the files that you deleted. The files are stored temporarily until you empty your bin folder. If you have a personal Google account, you have 15 gigabytes of free storage. If your school has a G Suite for Education account, then you have unlimited storage. With Google Drive, you can click the New button to create or upload files. You can create folders, as well as Google Docs files, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, among many others. When you create a folder, you will be asked to name it first. After naming the folder, click Create. You can upload files from your computer, as well as upload folders from your computer. Find a file or folder from your computer and click Open. Find a file or folder from your computer, highlight the file, and click Open. You will know when the file is uploaded, and you can find the file on your drive. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.